Welcome to Daily IQ. Today 20th July 2024. In this video, we will teach you top 20 current affairs MCQ with detailed explanation. Question number 1. World Chess Day is observed every year on. Answer is 20th July. World Chess Day is celebrated annually on 20th July globally. The day marks the date of the establishment of the International Chess Federation, FIDE, in Paris in 1924. The idea to celebrate the day was proposed by UNESCO, and since 1966, the day has been celebrated every year. Question number 2. International Moon Day is observed every year on. Answer is 20th July. Since 2021, International Moon Day has been celebrated on 20th July to commemorate the anniversary of the first human landing on the moon with the Apollo 11 mission. Astronauts Neil Armstrong and Buzz Aldrin landed on the moon in a location that they then named Tranquility Base on the same day. The Apollo 11 mission was the historic NASA spaceflight that achieved the first manned moon landing. Question number 3. Who is the India's most valued celebrity in 2023? Answer is Virat Kohli. As per Kroll's latest celebrity report, cricketer Virat Kohli has reclaimed the top spot to become India's most valued celebrity, boosting a brand value of $227.9 million in 2023. Ranveer Singh at second place with $203.1 million, followed by Bollywood actor Shah Rukh Khan has claimed the third position with a brand value of $120.7 million. Akshay Kumar at fourth position with $111.7 million and Alia Bhatt at fifth position with $101.1 million. Question number 4. Which is the world's most expensive house as of July 2024? Answer is Buckingham Palace. Buckingham Palace, located in London, holds the title of the most expensive house in the world with the price of $4,900 million as of July 2024. Antilia, owned by billionaire Mukesh Ambani, is the world's second most expensive house as of 2024. Located in Mumbai, it was constructed from 2006 to 2010 at a cost nearing $2 billion and valued at $4.6 billion in 2023. Villa La Leopolda, the third most expensive house in the world as of 2024, is a grand estate in Villefranche-sur-Mer on the French Riviera. Question number 5. What is India's rank in the latest FIFA Men's Rankings 2024? Answer is 124th. India has maintained its 124th position in the latest FIFA Men's Rankings released. Argentina, the reigning world champion and Copa America winner, has strengthened its grip at the top of the FIFA rankings. France maintains its position as the second-ranked team, following their impressive run to the semi-finals of Euro 2024. Spain has made a significant leap, climbing 5 places to third after being crowned European champions. Question number 6. India's first overseas Jan Aushadhi Kendra has been inaugurated in. Answer is Mauritius. On 17th July 2024, External Affairs Minister S. Jaishankar has inaugurated India's first overseas Jan Aushadhi Kendra in Mauritius, testifying the close bilateral cooperation, especially in the key health sector. The Jan Aushadhi Kendra, a health partnership project, aims to supply cost-effective, made-in-India medicines to enhance public health care and well-being in Mauritius. Question number 7. Which country is hosting the 9th Women's Cricket Asia Cup? Answer is Sri Lanka. The 9th edition of the Women's Cricket Asia Cup started on 19th July 2024 at Dambala, Sri Lanka. All the matches, including the final, will be played at the Rangiri Dambala International Stadium in Dambala from July 19th to 28th, 2024. 8 teams, India, Nepal, UAE, Bangladesh, Pakistan, Sri Lanka, Malaysia, and Thailand, are participating in this edition. India is the defending champion, winning the 2022 edition by beating Sri Lanka in the final. Question number 8. What is the theme of India Mobile Congress 2024? Answer is, the future is now. The 8th edition of India Mobile Congress is scheduled to take place from 15 to 18 October 2024 at Pragati Maidan, New Delhi. The theme of the India Mobile Congress 2024 is, The Future is Now, was unveiled on 19th July by Jyotiraditya M. Scindia, Minister for Communications and Development of North-Eastern Region. Jyotiraditya M. Scindia also launched the Indian Mobile Congress 2024 application and website, a unique interactive app for registration. Question number 9. Who has been re-elected as the President of European Union's Executive Commission? Answer is Ursula von der Leyen. On 18th July, European Parliament lawmakers re-elected Ursula von der Leyen to a second 5-year term as President of the European Union's Executive Commission. Ursula Gertrude von der Leyen is a German politician, serving as the 13th President of the European Commission since 2019. She served in the German federal government between 2005 and 2019. Question number 10. Who has been honored with the Best Child and Women Development Initiatives of the Year 2024? Answer is Sri Kurumba Trust. Sobha Group's CSR wing, Sri Kurumba Educational and Charitable Trust, has been honored with the Best Child and Women Development Initiatives of the Year 2024. This esteemed accolade was presented at the Global CSR, Sustainability, and ESG Awards 2024 at the Hyatt Regency, Gurgaon. Mr. Nagarajan S., Vice President of Projects at Sobha Limited, received this award on behalf of the organization. Question number 11. Railway Protection Force, RPF, has rescued 84,119 children under which operation? Answer is Nanhe Farishte. Over the past 7 years, the Railway Protection Force, RPF, has been at the forefront of an operation named Nanhe Farishte. During last 7 years, from 2018 to May 2024, RPF has rescued 84,119 children who were at risk in stations and trains, preventing them from falling into harm's way. The year 2018 marked a significant start for Operation Nanhe Farishte. In this year, the RPF rescued a total of 17,112 children. Question number 12. Who has become first ever K-pop idol to carry the Olympic torch? Answer is Kim Seokjin. On 14th July 2024, BTS member Kim Seokjin participated in the torch relay of the 2024 Paris Olympic Games as South Korea's torchbearer in Paris, France. He became the first ever Korean singer or K-pop idol to carry Olympic torch abroad. The Olympic torch was first lit in Olympia, Greece, on 16 April 2024 and is expected to reach Paris on 26 July 2024 for the opening ceremony of 2024 Olympics. Question number 13. who has been appointed as the India's next ambassador to United States? Answer is Vinay Mohan Kwatra. Vinay Mohan Kwatra, a retired Indian Foreign Service (IFS) diplomat, has been appointed as India's next ambassador to the United States. He served as the 34th Foreign Secretary of India from May 2022 until 14 July 2024, succeeding Harsh Vardhan Shringla. Kwatra previously held the positions of Ambassador of India to France and Nepal. Question number 14. Which state's eSwasthya Dham portal was integrated with Ayushman Bharat Digital Mission? Answer is Uttarakhand. The Uttarakhand government has successfully integrated its eSwasthya Dham portal with the Ayushman Bharat Digital Mission (ABDM). eSwasthya Dham portal helps in monitoring the Care Dham Yatra pilgrims' health parameters. It ensures the smooth journey of pilgrims visiting Yamunotri, Gangotri, Kedarnath, and Badrinath, together called as the Care Dham Yatra. Question number 15. As per IMF report, what is India's growth forecast for 2024 to 25? Answer is a 7%. The International Monetary Fund, IMF, in its World Economic Report, has raised its forecast for India's gross domestic product (GDP) growth rate in 2024 to 25 by 20 basis points to 7%. In the earlier April report, it had projected a growth rate of 6.8% for the financial year 2024 to 25. The growth forecast for 2025 to 26 has remained unchanged at 6.5%. The Reserve Bank of India expects the GDP to grow by 7.2% in 2024 to 25. Question number 16. Asian Paralympic Committee appointed whom as the representative for South Asia? Answer is Deepa Malik. India's first woman Paralympic medalist, Deepa Malik, has been named sub-regional representative for South Asia by the Asian Paralympic Committee, APC. Deepa Malik, a recipient of the prestigious Padma Shri, Khel Ratna, and Arjuna Award, is the first ever Indian woman to win a medal at the Paralympic Games. The Asian Paralympic Committee, APC, is an organization based in United Arab Emirates. Question number 17. Who has been reappointed as the MD and CEO of ESAF Small Finance Bank? Answer is K. Paul Thomas. ESAF Small Finance Bank has received Reserve Bank of India's RBI's nod for reappointment of K. Paul Thomas as its Managing Director and CEO for another 3 years. ESAF Small Finance Bank is an Indian small finance bank headquartered in Thrissur, Kerala, providing banking services and small loans to the underbanked. It became a small finance bank in March 2017 and started operating in January 2018. Question number 18. Which state's Gewra Mines has made it to the list of 10 largest coal mines in the world? Answer is Chhattisgarh. Two coal mines in Chhattisgarh, Gewra and Kusmunda, have been included in WorldAtlas.com's top 10 coal mines of the world. These two coal mines in Chhattisgarh account for about 10% of the country's annual coal production, and their combined coal production was more than 100 million tons in 2023 to 24. Indonesia dominates the top 10 coal mines list, with 4 mines, and the United States' Black Thunder mine has been ranked the world's largest coal mine. Question number 19. Which state government has launched the Mukhyamantri Yuva Karya Prashikshan Yojana? Answer is Maharashtra. The government of Maharashtra has unveiled the Mukhyamantri Yuva Karya Prashikshan Yojana, Chief Minister Youth Work Training Scheme. The government has made provision of 5,500 crore rupees for the scheme. Candidates aged between 18 to 35 years and residing in Maharashtra are eligible to apply under the scheme. Question number 20. Who has been selected as the captain of India's men's T20 cricket team? Answer is Surya Kumar Yadav. Surya Kumar Yadav has been appointed as the captain of the Indian T20I team for the upcoming 3-match series against Sri Lanka, commencing on 27th July. The announcement was made on 18th July, with Shubman Gill being named as the vice-captain for the T20 series. This will also be India's first tour under Gautam Gambhir, who replaced Rahul Dravid as the new head coach earlier this month. Thanks for watching full video. You can join in our membership plan for daily, weekly and monthly current affairs PDFs. Please contact me on WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number is 9700200378.